In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Rose future while talking about Oasis network cost figure for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Oasis network. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Oasis network value expectation and answer questions in the event that Rose is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will Rose succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Oasis network value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Rose and its to-date history. Desert Garden network price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market drops, affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Desert Garden network price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022, preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022, September 28.69% $0.0610. 2022, October 38.12% $0.0530. 2022, November 29.23% $0.0606. 2022, December 27.60% $0.0620. 2023, Jan 19.90% $0.0686. 2023, February 11.72% $0.0756. 2023 Mar 9.27% $0.0777. 2023, April 0.39% $0.0853. 2023, May plus 0.90% $0.0864. 2023 June plus 1.43% $0.0868. 2023 July plus 5.39% $0.0902. 2023 August plus 15.20% $0.0986. Rose price prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees Rose coming to $0.1729 in 2025. What will Rose be worth in 5 years? The cost of Rose in 5 years could lie around $0. Desert Garden network price prediction 2030-2040. What Oasis network will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Oasis network coming to $0 in 2030. What Oasis network will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Oasis network coming to $0 in 2040. Will Oasis network supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Oasis network won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Oasis at any point network reach $1? Indeed, Oasis network can reach $1 toward the finish of 2022. Might Oasis at any point network reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Oasis network to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Might Oasis at any point network reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Oasis network to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will Oasis network go? Our gauging model sees Oasis network cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is Oasis network worth purchasing? We don't see a brilliant future for Oasis Network. It merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a decent leave system. Desert Garden Network is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Oasis Network a wise venture? Desert Garden Network is definitely not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it faces a furious rivalry from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, not including examiners and publicity pursuing group, and the group behind the undertaking is doubtful. Might Oasis at any point network make you a tycoon? No, Oasis Network might not cause you a tycoon as we at any point too don't see it doing a 10x cost increment anytime from now on. What amount will Oasis Network be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.0488. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will undoubtedly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Oasis Network succeed and get more expensive? Desert Garden Network has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no interesting incentive, it has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Oasis Network to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. What is the momentary expectation for Oasis Network? Desert Garden Network will reach $0.0488 in the following 90 days, which is a 43% change over the ongoing cost which floats around $0.0856. Desert Spring Network price prediction today. What will be the cost of Oasis Network tomorrow? Desert Spring Network will float around $0.0853 tomorrow. Might Oasis at some point network crash and go to nothing? Desert Garden Network could possibly be a dead venture in 5 years or something like that. When trades delisted and individuals can't exchange it, you can throw in the towel. Oasis Network will be in a burial ground of crypto coins. Could Oasis at any point network detonate? No, Oasis Network cost won't detonate and record 5 to 10x siphons, yet develop all the more humbly with an increment of 15.2% in the following year. What will be the cost of Oasis Network in 10 years? Desert Garden Network cost in 10 years will drift somewhere in the range of $0 and $0. Desert Garden Network price prediction 2023. What will Oasis Network be worth in 2023? Desert Garden Network will reach $0.0936 in 2023, which is a 9.36% change over the ongoing cost. Desert Garden Network price prediction 2024. What will Oasis Network be worth in 2024? Desert Garden Network will reach $0.0607 in 2024, which is a 29.04% change over the ongoing cost. Desert Spring Network price prediction 2026. What will Oasis Network be worth in 2026? Desert Spring Network will reach $0 in 2026, which is a 100% change over the ongoing cost. Desert Spring Network price prediction 2027. What will Oasis Network be worth in 2027? Desert Spring Network will reach $0 in 2027, which is a 100% change over the ongoing cost. Desert Garden Network price prediction 2028. What will Oasis Network be worth in 2028?